Hello kids, today we are going to learn CH ch sound. So let's get started. Ch 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 sounds ch. Ch for chess, ch for cheese, ch for chop, BENCH bench, MATCH match. Ch 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 sounds ch. Now let's practice sentences from CH ch. I enjoy playing chess. We can chop the cheese. I am sitting on a bench. The child chased the cat. Now let's practice few more sentences. Our first sentence: Charlie the cat loves to chase colorful butterflies in the cheerful garden. Our next sentence, here it is. Charlie, the cheerful child, chases colorful bubbles in the park. Our last sentence, here it is. Chester, the cheerful chipmunk, chases his favorite chew toy in the cherry tree. I hope now you have learned the sound CH ch. So I will see you in the next class. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.